आता मायकल बाब तुका दुसरो एक प्रश्न विचारता. हो प्रश्न असो, तुझ्या ह्या मतदारसंघान हॉटेलां आसा, 5 स्टार हॉटेलां आसा आनी खूब हॉटेलां आसा आनी जंय खूब ट्युरिस्ट तुज्या एरियेन येता आनी थंयसर लिप चोरयां चोरून प्रॉस्टिट्यूशन जावं येता.
See, activities खूप चालू आसले. It all depends whether the local MLA, the local representatives, जे पंचायत मेंबर्स आहा, सरपंच आहा, local लोक कितलो सिरियस आहा हेचेर. See, I was from day one, I have been voicing my concern and also informing the police खंय इलिगल एक्टिविटी असले चालू आहा पळय ते बंद करच्यो म्हणून. आनी म्हाका दिसता पुलिसांनी आमचो सरकार येवन खुबशे असले जे इलिगल एक्टिविटीज चलताले थिंगा रेड मारून बंद केल्ले आहा. आता हांव आमदार जावचे पयलीं हे एक्टिविटी खूब चालू आसल्यो. इट डजंट मीन दॅट एक्स MLA आपूण इनिशिएटीव घेयनासलो हें हांव म्हणना. तेणें घेतले इनिशिएटीव, पूण हाव सिरियस द पुलीस वॉज, हाव सिरियस द एक्स होम मिनिस्टर वॉज ऑन दीस. आमचो ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर इज ऑन रिकॉर्ड इन द assembly also and outside that he will not tolerate any police officer protecting such types of activities like prostitution, drugs or illegal massage parlors who are doing other type of business.
वास्को शार जे आमचें आसा तें एक हार्बर आनी ह्या वास्को शारान पयलीं वेगवेगळ्या देशांतलीं व्हडल्यो व्हडल्यो बोटी येताल्यो फॉर बिजनेस पर्पज. आनी त्या बोटी वयले सेलर्स जेन्ना वास्को शारान देंवताले तेन्ना दे यूज टू गो इन सर्च ऑफ सिमिलर प्लेसीस टू क्वेंच देअर थर्स्ट फॉर सेक्स. आनी त्या वेळार पुर्तुगेज टायमार खंय पुर्तुगेजान थंय सेक्स वॉज ऑलमोस्ट लिगलायज्ड. कित्याक दॅट वॉज अ नीड of that particular spot, and different type of people used to come there who were hungry because they used to be out on sea for months together. And त्या वेळार केल्लें म्हळ्यार अशा ट्युरिस्ट स्पॉटाचेर जंय वेगवेगळे लोक येतात आनी जंय समज कितें असो अनटुवर्ड इन्सिडेंट जावंक जायना म्हणून जर तें लिगलायज केलें अशा स्पॉटाचेर जाल्यार कितें वायट आसा.
See, Goa is a beautiful destination, a destination by itself, a natural destination. हे आमकां देवान दिल्लें आहा. God gifted destination which has got natural beaches, which has got natural waterways, that is backwaters. जे तूं पणजेसून तूं शहरां वयशी backwaters, beautiful. हे सगळे नॅचरल ब्युटीन आमी मॅन मेड आर्टिफिशियल वस्तू हाडून दवरलेल्यो आहा. ते तूं बोटी, you look at the casinos, you look at some hotels, you look at some, these are man-made things. Now you are saying that
why sex should not be legalized?
Should not be legalized. You tell me, Goa is a destination where tourists are not coming here to stay for months together. They are not coming for their continuous stay. They are coming only for 3 days and 4 days. Goa cannot be tagged. एक टॅग मनशाचेर जेन्ना लागता कोणाचेरूय लागता, एक वस्तूचेर हेचेर एक टॅग आहा, 100 rupees, 500 rupees. Goa cannot be tagged as a sex destination. Goa should not be promoted as a sex destination or where a woman is easily available for your different needs. It cannot be termed like that. It is a family destination. It is a destination for couples. We want couples to come over here. We want families to come over here. You know, we don't want all the men who are going like in Thailand. It is an open destination where everybody knows it is a sex destination. So we don't want all the men coming over here and looking at in big eyes at our wives or our children or our girls who are here in Goa. You know, they shouldn't look at them in that way, you know, like are these those girls who we are come for. हे खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणान कलांगुटान चालू आसले. हे आमी बंद केले. हे आमी बंद करपाक वावुरतले. हे जेन्ना ट्युरिझम प्लेस आहा, हे असल्यो गजाली चालूच आसतल्यो आनी आमकां विजिलंट रावचे पडटले, आमकां दोळे उक्ते करून रावचे पडटले.
तुका आनी एक प्रश्न विचारता हांव की तुका खबर आसा आय डोंट हॅव द नंबर्स आय वूड हॅव टोल्ड यू द नंबर्स अश्यो कितल्यो एब्युसीस जाल्या सेक्स एब्यूज केसीस एंड वीच केसीस वेर बिकॉज ऑफ टुरिस्टांनी अश्यो कितल्यो केसीस केल्ल्यो आसा गोंयांत येवन सेक्स एब्यूज.
See, a lot of cases earlier were detected, like foreign tourists, especially German. एक only case आली sensational that young girls were abused, boys were also abused in Goa. That time there was not चड तेचेर हे नासले म्हणजे तेचेर अभ्यास नासलो लोकांचो. What was child molestation? Or now everybody knows. Even a small child who's 10 years old, 11 years old, 12 years knows what is child abuse, what is this thing. You know, they are all aware of all these things, and these things have gone totally down in Goa. It चुकोन जाता असली गजाल, but we have to be very careful. We shouldn't allow all these activities to start. Or since Goa is a tourist destination, आमी असले गजाली जावंक दिवंक पारना.
बीचीर टुरिस्ट आता गोंयान आनी एक गजाल जाल्या, गोवा इज नॉट अ सेक्स डेस्टिनेशन डेफिनेटली, पण गोंयान अशी एक गजाल जाल्या की गोंयान सोरो कंपेरेटिवली भायल्या राज्या पेक्षा गोंयान सोरो सवाय मेळटा. पण खुबशे टुरिस्ट मुद्दम सोरो हो एन्जॉयमेंट म्हणून एक पार्ट म्हणून पिवपाक गोंयान येता आनी ते टुरिस्ट लोक बीचीर बाटल्यो बिटल्यो घेवन सोऱ्याची वचून ते बीचीर वचून पियेतात आनी तांकां आतां अशें आयकलां की सरकारान टोटली बंदी घातल्या, तांकां अलाव करिना. Is this a good thing?
See, drinking with bottles on the beach, sitting on the beach is bad. Is bad only for a reason that तू बॉटल काडटाना ही उडयताय, दुसरी बॉटल पियेले काय काडून त्या बॉटलीचेर उडयता, ते सगळे बॉटल फुटता थिंगा. आनी जे ट्युरिस्ट येता ते बेर फूट येता, ते डायरेक्ट तांकां लागता. You tell me, when there are shacks on the beach, seasonan shacka right from October 1st till May end basun, shackan basun piye tu तुका white sandaचेर सारखे बिचार वचून कित्याक पिवपाक जाय.
हे टुरिस्ट आहा पळय ते शॅकान बसून पिवपी जे टुरिस्ट आसा ते टुरिस्ट वेगळे. देर इज अ क्लासिफिकेशन, यू नो.
No, we cannot allow. See, डेस्टिनेशनाचे जर नाव तू बरे व्हडले करतले, you cannot allow anything to happen, you know, like all these bad things, bad vices to happen in public places. Our destination we have to promote as the best destination in India, and we have to come up to a level of making it as the best destination in Asia. Seriousness azuni government and घेवंक ना, especially tourism department and seriousness have to be there. If you, in which direction you are promoting this Goa, seriousness is like giving challan books to the deputy director of tourism, or to appointing magistrates to find the tourists directly.